In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF from Notion. This is a simple but very useful process, especially if you need to share your pages outside of Notion or keep a copy for offline use. Exporting your work as a PDF is ideal for reports, documents, notes, or anything you want to send through email or upload to another platform without worrying about formatting changes. To get started, make sure you are already on the Notion page that you want to export. Once the page is open, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page. You will see the three dots menu, which contains additional options for managing your page. Click on those three dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Export and click on it. This will open the export window where you can choose how your page will be downloaded. Inside this export window, you will see an option for export format. Click on the drop-down menu next to the format option, and from the list provided, choose PDF. This tells Notion that you want your page saved as a PDF file. Once PDF is selected as the format, go ahead and click the Export button. At this point, Notion will begin preparing your file. Depending on the size of your page and the amount of content inside it, this step may take a little time. It is completely normal for the export process to pause briefly, so just be patient and allow Notion to finish generating the file. After the export process is complete, a download will be initiated automatically. In my case, I am using an Internet Download Manager, so the download prompt appears there. However, if you are using a regular web browser without a download manager, the PDF file will usually appear at the top of your browser or in your default download section. Simply wait for the download to finish, and your PDF will be ready to open and share. Once downloaded, you can review the PDF to make sure everything looks correct. Notion does a good job of keeping the layout clean, but it is always a good idea to double-check before sending it to others. And that is it. You have successfully exported a PDF from Notion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.